to make money on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you the best ways to make money on TikTok in 2023. So the first one is brand deals. Brand deals on TikTok involve creating sponsored content or becoming a brand ambassador for a company. So here is a guide on how to make money with brand deals on TikTok. Build a sizable and engaged following. To make money with brand deals, you need to have a sizable and engaged audience. This means creating content that aligns with your niche and interest and providing value to your followers. Second, creating high quality content. To attract brands and make your content more attractive to them, you should consistently create high quality, engaging content that aligns with your niche and interests. Identify potential brands. Research brands that align with your niche and interests. Look for companies that have a presence on TikTok and reach out to them to inquire about sponsored content or brand ambassador opportunities. Create a media kit. A media kit, it is a document that contains information about your TikTok account, such as your followers, engagement rate, and demographics. It also includes information about your content and the types of sponsored content or brand ambassador opportunities you can create. Pitch to brands. Reach out to brands with a tailored pitch that highlights your account's statistics and the value you can bring to their campaign. Be sure to include your media kit and any other relevant information. Negotiate rates and terms. Once a brand expresses interest in working with you, negotiate the terms of the partnership, including the price, the type of the content, and also the time frame for the campaign. Creating the sponsored content. Once the terms are agreed upon, create the sponsored content in accordance with the brand's guidelines and the FTC's guidelines for sponsored content. Measure the results. After the campaign is finished, make sure to measure the result, such as the views, likes, and comments, and provide them to the brand. To make money with brand deals on TikTok, it is important to have a sizable and engaged following and create high quality content that aligns with your niche and interest. This is very important. Additionally, it's also important to be authentic and transparent when working with brands and to disclose any sponsored content in accordance with TikTok policies and FTC's guidelines. Having a media kit and a well-crafted pitch that highlights your value to the brand is also important. Now, the second method of making money with TikTok is live streaming. Live streaming on TikTok is a feature that allows users to broadcast live video of their followers and interact with them in real time. So here are the steps. First one, build a sizable and engaged following. Like I said, this is very important. To make money with streaming, you need to have a sizable and engaged audience. This means creating content that aligns with your niche. Create high quality content. To attract followers and make more content and more attractive to them, you should consistently create high quality, engaging content and also use the live streaming feature. Once you have a sizable, engaging following, you can start live streaming to your followers. Make sure to announce your live stream in advance so your followers can tune in. Now, the fourth step of live streaming on TikTok is interacting with your audience. During your live stream, interact with your audience by answering their questions and responding to their comments. This will help keep your audience engaged and increase the chances of them returning for future live streams. monetize your live streams. Many people do not know this, but there are a few ways to monetize your live streams, such as receiving gifts or donations from your followers. TikTok has a feature called Live Gifts, where users can send virtual gifts to creators during their live streams. These gifts can be converted into real money. Use analytics to optimize your live streams. After your live stream, use the analytics provided by TikTok to track the performance of your live stream and identify areas for improvement. And now, the third method of making money on TikTok is with lead generation. Lead generation on TikTok can be done by creating valuable content that attracts potential customers to your business, and here are a few steps to get started. First, define your target audience. Understand who your ideal customer is and create content that appeals to them. Second, create a business account. Set up a business account on TikTok to access analytics and other tools to help you measure your success. Also, create valuable content. Creating engaging and informative videos like showcasing your product or services and offer solutions to your audience's pain points. Use TikTok's features to promote your content. Use features like hashtags, challenges, and also live streaming to increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Use call to action in your videos. Encourage viewers to visit your website, sign up for your newsletter, or make sure to make a purchase. Use TikTok ads. TikTok ads can be a great way to reach a larger audience and drive more leads. Also, track your performance. Use the analytics provided by TikTok to track the performance of your videos and adjust your strategy as needed. Follow up with leads. Once you've generated leads, make sure to follow up with them promptly to convert them into paying customers. It's worth noting that TikTok is a very dynamic platform, so keeping up with the trends and experimenting with different strategy is key to success in lead generation on TikTok. And now the fourth method of making money with TikTok is with services. Making money with services on TikTok can be done by leveraging the platform's large user base to promote your business and attract new clients. So here are a few steps to get started. First one, define your target audience. Understand who your ideal client is and create content that appeals to them. Create a business account. Set up a business account on TikTok to access analytics and other tools to help you measure your success. Also, create valuable content. Create engaging and informative videos that showcase your services and offer solutions to your audience pain points. Use TikTok features to promote your content. Use features like hashtag, challenges, live streams to increase visibility and reach a larger audience. Also, use call to action in your videos, so encourage viewers to visit your website, book a consultation, or make an appointment. Use your TikTok ads. TikTok ads can be a great way to reach a larger audience and drive more leads. Also, you have to track your performance, so use the analytics provided by TikTok to track the performance of your videos and adjust your strategy as needed. Follow up with leads. Once you've generated leads, make sure to follow up with them promptly to convert them into paying customers. Creating a portfolio of the services you offer. You can show the portfolio of the services to your potential clients in the form of videos, images, and also infographics. Collaborate with other businesses or influencers. Collaborating with other businesses or influencers on TikTok can help to increase your reach and attract new clients. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any questions, you can comment in the comment section down below and I will make sure to answer to them as quickly as possible and help you out if you have any problems. You can also like this video if it's useful and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this one and turn on the notification bell because I will post more videos like this one soon. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.